Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So let's go ahead and use generative fill to expand an image. So there's key pointers that you guys need to learn about this one. So to expand an image using generative fill, so use generative fill algorithms like GANs or VAES. So once you're done with that, use the feed the existing image to the model here. We're going to be using a free image, of course, just for the videos purposes, so that we guys could practically use this without copyright. And once you do that, adjust the parameters to control the expansion and the process here. That's basically all you have to do here. And refine, click here and refine the generated content for desired quality and coherence. So that's just basically it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.